Hello and welcome to this video jolly. It's jolly because I don't publish on Wednesday, but perhaps tomorrow, that it is Sunday. It's a very short video, and perhaps it will be the last one about this Audi. I hope to have not bored you too much with my works and so on, but this is very important because I noticed that this car has a little problem. This part is quite empty, and it doesn't look very nice. So I wanted to do the black signs here for the door. In every car you don't have the full surface. The surface is interrupted from a slot, a black slot, a dark slot, and so I have to do this. To do this I need a pen, and I want to show you this pen. Now I have no links because I have bought this in a shop, but I will write you here down in the description all the names and so on. Here there's a barcode, some pictures, so you can find it. This is very good. It's a very good thickness, and it doesn't come away from here. It is not that violet blue that every pens of this kind, the color is never black. It's a little bit violet or blue, so this is really black. And with your finger, after 10 seconds, 20 seconds you have painted, you can't take it away. It's very good. Now the challenge is to I'm not so good to do the right very precise, and so let's try and see. One shot. This is one shot. You can't take it away anymore. No masking tape. So this is better away, and let's start. Not so nice. This one. It doesn't come away. And here. Acceptable. Porca damn. No. Oh. Immediately it comes away. Okay, wonderful. Okay, this is it. Quite good. And now the other part. You can finish it. That's all for today. Very short video. Remember, if you find this, you can make some paintings on legs and body. So remember, please subscribe. I need so much subscriber you can't imagine. Thank you very much. Bye bye.